Hello everybody, this is NCK2310. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here showing you Königsallee in Düsseldorf in Germany. Welcome and join me on this journey. I hope you've already been watching my latest videos. As I am in Germany, in Düsseldorf, I'm showing you the best of Düsseldorf, so that if you ever want to come to Düsseldorf, please do come. It's a nice place to be. I used to live here for 15 years, so this was my city. It's still like my city. When I come here, I really do feel at home. Walk together, okay? Yes. So when I lived here, I used to come many times here. Many nice shops, many beautiful places. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I want you to enjoy Düsseldorf. Hey, if you've never visited Düsseldorf in Germany, please come. I will recommend you Düsseldorf. Haha, it's one of, for me, the best cities in Germany to live in. Even for businesses, it's amazing. It is beautiful. And you can't say that it's very expensive, because you can see there are also a little bit cheaper places like that one, Subway. It's affordable. You can see there's Aldi over there for shopping for food. So here in König, don't think that it's like extreme expensive. So even if you don't have that much money, you still can survive in Düsseldorf. I did, okay? As a Kenyan, I survived very well here in Düsseldorf. So you too can survive. So you don't have to worry. Don't think that it's for billionaires. It's not. So very, very beautiful. Let's take a little bit walk over there. Then after that, we're gonna walk other side. And after that, I think I will show you where I always have a drink. Here at Clinic Saleh. It's amazing, you know, it goes on and on and on. I can just zoom there for you a little bit like that. Okay, so we go that way, then I go to one of my quite nice places where I sometimes take a drink, relaxing. So as you can see, Düsseldorf, König Saleh has much to offer. Look at those buildings. This reminds me actually very much to Oslo in Åkerbrygge. Yeah, those of you who watch my, I think, short videos I've posted of Åkerbrygge in Oslo. It looks almost like this, okay? Nice, beautiful buildings around, nice atmosphere, classy, elegant. My battery almost ringing alarm, but I can film a little bit more for you. Then after that, I think I have to recharge first. Yes. Very beautiful here. Cool. Beautiful. Elegant. So we go over there, and then at least I've showed you a little bit of König Saleh. You're gonna see a little bit more. And please, if you haven't watched my other videos, please make sure you watch so that you don't miss anything. I was already like traveling on the boat trip, and I already made a video for Old Town in Düsseldorf. So please make sure that you watch so you don't miss anything. To watch where I'm walking so I don't fall down. I don't want to break my legs when I'm walking, you know. So for those who are just joining me, this NCK 2310 showing you Düsseldorf, König Saleh. Düsseldorf is in Germany, okay? So join me. So we are walking like that because I'm gonna go to one of my favorite places where I like to have a relaxing drink. Yes. And as I'm doing this, I also want you, my followers, my supporters, I want you to also see these beautiful nice places. Maybe some of you one day would like to come here, or some of you don't know exactly which places to go to, you know. So I want you to feel good. This here, König Saleh, you know, there are many, many streets. I think I can go like that, then I cross over to the place where I'm gonna go to have a drink. You see there, Kaufhof in König. When I lived in Germany, I used to go there many times shopping. Let's walk this way, okay? So as I said, we are in König Saleh. So you can see the kind of shops they have at König Saleh. Quite a lot and beautiful. I can also tell you, when I was a young girl, you see on this mall, was it on this street or was it in the next one? I think it was in the next street. No, I can show you where I met one of my first lover. It used to be, what was it called? Checkers or something like that? I think it was Checkers. There are very many classic shops here in König Saleh, in Düsseldorf. As I said, a lot of nice watches, a lot of classy places. They are really. Okay, that's, you have to wait when it's green. See, the police also watching that people obeys the streets. Look at that. Later on, I want to go because over there, because that's where I'm gonna, because my battery is somehow saying goodbye. But in any way, this is König Saleh, and it goes on and on and on. I think we can cross other place when we are going to where I'm going to have one drink. Yes, you can see the kind of cars that are there. This König Saleh for you. Look, it's very beautiful. Chanel lovers, here we go. Königsallée offers that as well. So you're working with me, NCK 2310 at Königsallée in Düsseldorf in Germany. I hope you're enjoying that. You know, here they're just classic, nice shopping things. So if you like fine things, Düsseldorf, Königsallée is for you. Königsallée is waiting for you. It is a nice place to be. Yes. They offer good things. Right now, you see, people have started to be more and more and more, and it's still early, but that's why I decided to come and film a little bit earlier. So I think soon I will cross over, and then I hope you also have enjoyed. So that I can, yeah, it goes on and on and on. Königsallée, you know, there are many nice shops, many nice places. But I'm gonna cross over there because I'm going somewhere close to here. As I said, I'm gonna have a drink. You see? It's Königsallée. It goes on and on and on. Prada, this, Fendi, call them, name them. They're everywhere. You know, Königsallée is very, very known, very much known for classic, elegant commodities and things, and this Königsallée for you. Okay, I'm gonna cross over there because I'm going in a place. Okay, that's gonna wait because it's green. You can zoom where I'm going over there. It's very warm, so I need one softer drink for me before heading back home, because before we had a boat trip a little bit here in Düsseldorf, showing you Düsseldorf. You see the river Rhine is everywhere. Look at that. Isn't it this beautiful? Look. Very beautiful, peaceful, very, very beautiful. So those who've never visited Düsseldorf, please, if you're able to visit Düsseldorf, come. It is a place to recommend. It is beautiful here. I lived here for 15 years, and believe me, I love fine things. So I recommend Düsseldorf, especially with these parts. They're amazing, very, very beautiful. So as you can see, I can zoom now for you from this other side. You're watching Königsallée over there. That's where we were before. So the shops and fancy stuff. And we are going over there. That's where I'm gonna go because I want to have a soft drink before I go home. I hope you still enjoy as you walk with NCK 2310. Hey, you're my supporters, so I have to show you good places, right? There are also shops on that side, but it seems like they're building a lot over there. But I know that there are also shops on this other side, but you can see it's like they're renovating or something. They're doing some stuff, as you can see. But walk with me as we are soon winding up, and make sure that you watch also the other videos so you don't miss anything. When you miss, you can always rewatch. But keep up, keep watching. And please always don't forget to support me. You can always like the videos, you can comment, you can share as well, you can subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. I'll appreciate. It's a big support for me. And now we are almost coming back where we started to walk in. You know, when we started, we walked from the old town. I was just looking around to like that. But soon we are heading where I'm going. I'm going over there. Let me see if I can zoom for you. I'm going over there. It's green. So when it's green, we walk. Okay? So You would wonder how I know this. Hey, I used to live here 15 years. So Düsseldorf is my second home. I know here in and out. Can walk with closed eyes. Because when you live in a place for 15 years, you know almost everywhere, right? Am I right? Yes. It's so beautiful here in Düsseldorf. It is. So those who haven't watched also my videos of when I first moved to Germany, I've posted some videos where I used to live in a place called Rattingen. Please make sure you go there and watch those videos as well. Because after those videos, I will also post for you where I went to after living there. I'll make sure that you also watch that, okay? So I thank you all so much. And please keep supporting me. So I'm almost where I'm going. So I thank you all. Make sure you touch the subscribe button, like, comment, and share as well. Thank you, peace, and watch the next video. Thank you and bye-bye from Königsallee in Düsseldorf. Watch the next video. Ciao.